Hi, today I'm going to show you how to hook up a Bluetooth device to your digital signage. First, you want to take your device. Here I have a Bluetooth speaker. Power it on and put it into pairing mode. Usually it's a blue light on top that will be flashing. You're going to go into your digital signage. You're going to choose the settings button down here and go into the settings app. From here, you're going to go into connected devices, pair new device, and you're going to wait for the device to show up on here as it refreshes. Here it has showed up on mine, which is the HMDX Rave. I'm going to click it, hit pair, and your device is connected. And that's it. That's how you hook up your Bluetooth device to your digital signage.